Hey.
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the rain.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie and I'm so excited to film this video today because we're making these very trendy jewelry pieces that have been popular for quite some time now. I feel like they've been trendy even last summer. I've been wanting to buy these funky type of necklaces for the longest time ever, but every time I added them to my cart I stopped myself from buying it because I was like, you know what, you still have some leftover beads from your childhood that are just sitting around your house, so why not use them for this project and make some personalized jewelry pieces. So yeah, I didn't really plan anything. I know that I want all of them to be like very colorful, and I know that at least one of them will be like a pearl necklace because I found these like very funky and cute bracelets that I used to wear when I was little, and as you can see, two of them have these like colorful fake pearls on them, so I feel like I'm just gonna cut them up and make some necklaces out of them. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I set up this like little beading section here on my table. I found this like stretchy string, so I feel like I'm just gonna use that. Okay, so as you can see, I have some pearl beads right here, and here's my string, and I'm just gonna start beading. Okay, the first necklace is done, and I'm just gonna tie it and try it on. Okay, so this is how the necklace looks like right now. It's very cute, very girly, definitely. I really like how it's chunky. Like, I feel like all of my other jewelry is very dainty, so this is just like a fun accent piece. However, I feel like it's not colorful enough. Like, I want to make some more colorful pieces, so let's get right back into it. Okay, so for the next necklace, I'm not gonna use this stretchy string anymore because this string is very thick and it's hard to get it through some of the beads because some of the beads have thinner holes. So I'm gonna use this clear string instead because it's very thin and I can literally get it through anything. Basically, for this next one, I'm gonna use these colorful and very little beads. And then I'm also gonna use these very colorful little tortoises. And to make it more special, I'm gonna use these little letter beads to spell out my name because I'm a basic bitch, so I'm gonna spell out my name. So yeah, let's do it. Fun fact, actually really sad fact, I actually don't have A's, so I'm using just like V's that I flipped around, and I think it kind of looks like A's, so yeah. Okay, I'm done with this one. For the closing part, I just used this little chain and then this little clasp from actually a bracelet that I cut up earlier. Because this is a string and it's not a chain or a wire, I basically just improvised and I tied like a, look how big that knot is. But yeah, I just tied it onto the necklace and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try it on. Okay, this is actually very cute. It's like more dainty than the other ones, but it's still very colorful. I also think the turtles are very nice, so yeah. Basically, for the next one, I'm not gonna plan anything. All I know is that I'm gonna use these fake pearls. Other than that, I'm gonna try not to think about it that much, which is kind of hard for me because even if I don't want to, I always think of a pattern that I start to follow. But now I'm definitely gonna try to think of something else. I'm gonna watch a movie while I'm doing this so that my thoughts are somewhere else. And yeah, anyways, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm finished. It's pretty long, but I want it to be a bit long so that I could wear these two together. I was thinking how I will close this, but then I found this little yellow closing thingy, and basically, as you can see, it has a hole at the end of it. So I basically took the wire and I fed it through and I made a little knot at the end of it. So now, as you can see, it just holds the beads there. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same with the other side and then I'm gonna try it on. Okay, I'm done. See, like now I can just close it and it holds the necklace together. So that's cool. Anyways, let's try it on. Okay, so this is all of them on. I feel like they turned out super duper amazing. They're so colorful, so chunky, and I feel like they will spice up every single outfit. I love that I can wear them separately or together. I feel like either way it will spice up every single outfit. So yeah. So we have 3 beautiful necklaces. I wanted to do more, but honestly I've been doing this for like 3 or 4 hours now and I'm quite exhausted. But yeah, I definitely recommend trying this out because it's honestly just such a nice way to relax and disconnect. I watched a full movie during this and then the rest of the time I was just like here alone and quiet. But yeah, it was just like a really nice time to go through my thoughts and just spend some time alone. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Plus, you get some cool jewelry out of it, so try it out. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and makes me more visible. But yeah, the choice is yours. Also, if you have a minute, this is my Instagram. You can go follow me there. And yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!